Wow, cute color. Do you like this color? This is my favorite color. I will use it in this video. Hey little kids, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new video for you. Today I will learn you how to draw a beautiful rainbow crown in a very easy way. So follow my every steps and try to draw with me. This is very easy to draw a crown. I draw the crown. Now let's start to color it. Here I am using sketch pen color. First one I am using red color. Color, which color do you want? I want red color. This is red. Now I am using light blue color. Color, which color do you want? I want light blue color. This is light blue. Here I am using purple color. Color, which color do you want? I want purple color. This is purple. Now I'm using light green color. Color, which color do you want? I want light green color. This is light green. Here I'm using deep blue color. Color, which color do you want? I want deep blue color. This is deep blue. And now I'm using light pink color. Color, which color do you want? I want light pink color. This is light pink. This color is also called baby pink color. I love this color so much. Wow, the rainbow crown is looking so beautiful. You should also try to draw it. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with a new video very soon. Till then, bye bye little champs. Wow!